Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Midi input and arming a channel. First, connect your controller and open FL Studio's Midi settings. Make sure the device is enabled. Then, pick the instrument channel and open the piano roll or channel rack. Set the input and arm it for recording so FL accepts notes. Set tempo and metronome. Choose count-in if you want a bar to settle. Once done, check buffer settings to balance latency versus CPU load before hitting record. Now you record and refine your takes. Choose pattern recording for quick loops or playlist recording to drop clips directly into the arrangement. Enable automation capture if you want knob movements. Press record, play your part, and use loop recording or punch-in for layered takes. After recording, open the piano roll to comp, quantize, adjust velocities, and clean overlaps. This tightens timing and dynamics. Make sure snap settings suit the groove. When done, consolidate the best takes into a single. Finish by committing your Midi and solving common issues. If you need Midi data elsewhere, export the Midi file. If you're finalizing sound, record to audio or freeze the channel to save CPU. If you hear delay, reduce a CO buffer size or switch drivers. Conversely, increase buffer if you get dropouts. If notes don't appear, verify the device is routed to the right channel and Midi channel numbers match the instrument. One key tip: toggle monitor and arm again to re-establish sync before another take.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.